Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by ensuring the custom lobby or mod supports a 10-band sequence. This is essential because default modes rarely allow it. Once done, invite the exact players you coordinated with and verify account readiness, connection, and client versions. You also configure the draft order, band timers, and whether spectator or opponent visibility is enabled. These choices affect pacing and fairness. If the lobby lacks native support, you prepare the scripting or manual process to emulate bands during the draft. You now perform the extended ban process. Have the designated ban leader call each ban in order while others confirm. Use a shared document or group chat to log each pick and ban in real time so disputes don't derail the draft. Make sure everyone respects a strict timer, 15 to 30 seconds per ban, so momentum stays steady. If using manual emulation rather than an automated mod, verbally confirm and mark bans immediately. This prevents accidental duplicate bans and strategic confusion. You finish by converting the ban log into final hero selections and adjusting team compositions accordingly. Explain trade-offs and counters so everyone understands roles. Once teams lock heroes, reconfirm drop-in substitutes or re-roll rules if a player disconnects. Make sure to start the match only after all confirmations so choices stick. If you encounter desynchronization, bans not matching between clients, immediately restart the lobby and rerun the ban sequence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.